Hi my dear students, today I am going to start another chapter number 6, that is tenses. Now what is a tense? The tense of a verb is something that indicates the time, continuation and the extent or completeness of its action. In your book you can find that it is written as the word tense means time. The tense of a verb shows the time or when an action happens. We know that there are three kinds of tense: past tense, present tense and future tense. Now any action that takes place in the current is called present. The action that took place in the time gone, that is past, is called past tense, and the action that will take place in the time to come is called future tense. Now see, in your book you can find certain examples are given. If you see, Diya draws a picture. This is called simple present tense. Now here the action of Diya, that is drawing of a picture, is in the current time, that is in the present time, so it is called present tense. Diya drew a picture. Here her action of drawing a picture took place somehow in the past, that is the time gone, and it is in the called the present past tense. And in the third sentence you can see that Diya will draw a picture. In this sentence her action of drawing a picture will take place in the time to come, so it is called future tense. Now when we write a sentence by using ing form in the main verb, it is called present continuous tense. Now what is present continuous tense? That is, we talk about something that is happening at the time of speaking. Here is, am, are used as a helping verb and ing form is used with the main verb to make it present continuous tense. It is written as the phone is ringing. Here is plus ring plus ing. Is the helping verb plus ring is the main verb and ing is used with the main verb. So this is called present continuous tense and it is formed by helping verb, that is, am, are plus main verb plus ing. Now you can see that past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? When you talk about something that is going on at a particular time in the past, that is any action that was taking place somewhere in the past or time gone. She was baking a cake. Her action of baking a plate was taking place at the somewhere at the past. Here the helping verb is used, was and were, and ing form is used with the main verb, was plus have plus ing. The boy was having breakfast at 7 am. In this sentence we use the helping verb was plus have plus ing form. This now we come to future continuous tense. Now what is future continuous tense? Future continuous tense talks about something that will be happening at a particular time in the future. That is, any action that will be happening in the future or in the that will take place in the time to come, it is called future continuous tense. Here also we use the verb will be or shall be plus main verb plus ing. I shall be reaching the airport when you arrive. In this sentence, shall be plus reach plus ing. That is how the future continuous tense is formed.